the strange ocean sound that terrified scientists a bloop. In 1997, researchers from the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) recorded a mysterious deep-sea sound louder than anything ever heard before. They called it the bloop. It was so powerful that it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. It didn't match any known whale, submarine, or underwater earthquake. Some believed it was a massive unknown sea creature, even suggesting a real-life Cthulhu lurking in the deep. Years later, scientists theorized that it might have been caused by glacial movements, but some still believe something unknown is lurking in the unexplored depths of the ocean.